What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. I'm Blake. This is Blake's Garage. Today we're going to be working on old Eugene. I got a quick little project, a little creature comfort that I'm going to do. It's just a little idea that popped into my head. Let's see if it works. Let me show you what I got. So we're having some incredible weather today. It's going to be so for a couple of days. Old Eugene stripped down, got his tube doors on. I love the tube doors. I like the look. They look beefy, they look strong, they work good. The problem is no padding at all, just a straight bar. So when you're cruising down the road, you're banging your elbow on it. So what I did is I stopped at the local Ace and got some of this foam. We're going to cut it down, put it underneath this fabric, see if we can make ourselves an armrest. I'm going to grab some tools, some scissors, probably something to write with. See what happens. I think it's going to come out excellent. Alright, so this is what I grabbed. I'm just kind of winging it because I've never done this before. I got a tape measure, some scissors, some dikes for the zip ties, and some zip ties. So what we're going to do is pull this off, just undo these brackets, or these buckles, measure it up. I'll have to trim around these bars that intersect, use the zip ties to roughly hold it, and then put the fabric back over it. If anybody wants to do this, this is 1 5/8" foam. I got it from the local Ace Hardware. Costs like $7.15. It's a 6-foot stick of it. Should be enough for all 4 doors, but we'll see. So I'm going to get set up, try to get the first one going, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Cut this in just a little bit shorter because I don't want it sticking out past the end of the foam. I want to have a nice, clean, finished look. Front ones were roughly 20 inches. So take off a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. So
there we go. Nice finished look. My phone bit right away. One time right away.
All right, so that come out pretty good. I need to adjust it a little bit to get rid of that lump, but it's got some padding. Honestly, I think it should come that way from the factory. Smittybilt. Let me know. I'll sell you the idea. All right, I'm gonna knock out the other 3 real quick before it gets dark. Shouldn't take long though. Let's get on it. "13 inches for the back doors." Let's see how that fits. All right, so we're done. Quick and simple. Got a nice little armrest going on here. I think we're gonna like it. So that's it for today. I like these little simple jobs. Big benefit, a little bit of time. Hope you guys have a good afternoon. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe, send me some likes, send me some comments. Let me know what else you want me to do. I love these type of projects. But for now, y'all have a good one and rock on.